Hi there, welcome to the Inspired Journey. Head with me out to the Dollar Tree and Walmart to go find some fall decor for the fall season. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show a few things that I've decorated so far in my house for the fall season using things from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So let's go have some fun. Look at these beautiful centerpieces, only $5. They come in different shades of fall colors. And then we've got these welcome fall. They're harvest containers that you can put flowers in. Happy fall, y'all, and harvest blessings. And then these light up for $5. Beautiful maroon color right there. And then these could be used on a mantle or a centerpiece. $5 also. Different colors, and then they've got these pretty flowers and berries coming out of the top of them. And then I love these. These are artificial pumpkins in greens, a sage color, and yellow, orange. These could go anywhere. They could go on your mantle or as a centerpiece. Let me know what you think, where you would put them if you buy them, what you're going to do with them. Let's see here. I think I'd probably buy one of each color. These are beautiful kitchen mitts and table dish table things, and these are perfect for making banana bread or pumpkin bread and giving them as gifts. Then I love these cups, mugs, glasses. Anything you would need to decorate for fall is right here, and it's only $1.25. So definitely reasonable. And then you've got these placemats right here, green and burgundy, that would look perfect with some of this dishware right here. So, and then right here we've got this, I guess you could use it for anything to put the pumpkins on, or even food. It's very heavy. These are fabric pumpkins that are only $3. They come in different styles and fabrics, very festive and so cute. Love all these colors. These could go anywhere. And then we've got this runner here for $5 that could go on your table. These are adorable, 50 baking cups for $3 for anything you want to bake in those. And then they have this cute gather wooden board right here that this one says, "Hello, Fall." So you could probably use this for charcuterie, or you could use it for just decorating in your kitchen or anywhere you want to put it. And then here we've got some more cute centerpiece flowers that, look at those beautiful colors, and the pumpkin, $5 with, oh my goodness, this would probably be $10 elsewhere. So pretty. And then some lanterns and more pumpkins. Look at all those different colors. So pretty. This is cute. Give thanks. It's a garland. It's a pie garland. Oh my goodness, so cute. And we've got more beautiful centerpieces. And here, look at this for $5. Hello, pumpkin. And they've got a few different styles of those. So those would be really pretty. This gather sign. Love this. Love those colors. It's got some sunflowers at the bottom. And then you've got this gather sign that you could put on your front door or anywhere in your house that you want to look festive. And then these signs, these are only $1.25. So many different ones to choose from. Blessed fall, sweet fall, welcome fall, harvest blessings, and welcome to our pumpkin patch. And then look at these containers. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. This glassware, and we've got an acorn here. You could put one of these candles on top of that. They've got this acorn right here, super cute. And then what else do we have here? This is a candle. Looks like the wick is on the top, and that could go on it. It's a beautiful fall leaf candle. And what else do we have here? Some tea light. These come in 3 different colors. So pretty. Another leaf candle that you could put on one of those pedestals. And then here we've got a pumpkin, and we've got more colorful pumpkins, silver, gold, teal. And then these candles have little leaves on them. This little grateful pumpkin for only $1.25. So pretty. And then these jar candles also in different harvest scents. Love these. And we've got, this is super cute. Could put a candle on that. And some tea lights. And something we could put a little votive candle in. And this is interesting. This lights up. So it's a LED pillar candle that you just put a battery in and it lights up, only for $1.25. And then you've got these candlesticks right here. More beautiful pillows that could go on a doorknob or anywhere. And then this pumpkin. And we've got all kinds of picks here to choose from. Some gnome picks, and we've got these cute things here. Some garland, more pillows, and some more garland. Bows, harvest bows, pumpkin bows, glittery leaves. Can't decide what to choose here. And let's see here. These they stand up. So we've got different sayings on each of these and a recipe on this one. And let's see here. We've got some harvest ribbon. And we've got more stand up happy fall y'all. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin punch, cider. Those would look cute anywhere. And then we've got all these that stand up also. Gather with a grateful heart, thankful, and welcome. These are only $1.25. And we've got more pumpkins. Now we're at Walmart. Here at Walmart, they've got these pumpkins. They're a little bit larger than the ones we just saw. And then we've got these fall signs and more centerpieces. Their prices are a little bit higher than Dollar Tree for their centerpieces. And this is $3.28, so that's more of the prices we were looking at the Dollar Tree. And here, I don't think that little mouse is supposed to be in there, but this centerpiece, Harvest Mum Pot, is super pretty. And then these are really, really very heavy. Happy Thanksgiving. $14.98 for that one. And then you've got these little ones. They're only $3.28 for the little ones there that you could put on a little shelf. Happy Thanksgiving. These are very, very, very heavy. So these would look nice somewhere. These fabric pumpkins. And then over here we've got a bunch of things that are, their prices are, let's see here. What do we have? More fall picks. That's really pretty. And this is something that would sit up somewhere. This welcome. This would look very pretty on a wall or on a door for around $20. Let's see here. We've got some more centerpieces and some more. Oh, this is really pretty. This could almost go any time of the year. $10.98. This could be used anywhere in your kitchen, and it doesn't have the fall color, so they could sit out all year. These are super pretty. They are those beautiful fall colors. And let's see, what is this price? $12.44. We've got this sign, Sunshine in My Soul, and Welcome Fall. These are lights that you could light up your mantle with and celebrate. Oh, these gnomes are cute for $4.98. Some more pumpkins and Home Sweet Home sign for $6.98. Autumn is my favorite color. Blessings. That would make a very nice, that's not $9.98. Let's see. Grateful. These plates are so pretty, and you get them for $2.98. And then they've got the napkins that match, and then some more pretty signs to go around your kitchen or your table. Halloween leaf bag. Then we've got this floral lantern and a wreath. And these are interesting. They're wooden, and it's a wooden garland. Another flower kettle. Let's see, battery operated. Let's see here, what do we have here? Fall is my favorite. And this says thanks. That's really cute. Give thanks for $5.48. And some more wooden garland. And we've got this, what do we have here? Another garland with some flowers on them. And hello, fall. This is cute. Little container. Put some candy or cookies in it. And some fabric pumpkins. And this is interesting. I like that one. It's a metal frame with some flowers in it. And that will look really pretty on a table. Hello, pumpkin. And we've got some grateful. Those are really pretty. $3.98. This also could go any time of the year. Be joyful or give thanks. Blessed. Because they're not the fall colors, so really that could sit out all year somewhere in your house for $7.98. And these are pretty. We've got a welcome wreath with it's a basket, and this bird house for $10.88, and more garland. And what do we have here? Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Pumpkin jar. I really love these two. Those are pretty. $17.97 for those lanterns. And harvest it's pre-lit. Oh, that's so pretty. That would look really nice lit up on a table. And some other kinds of decor. Let's see here. Our nest is blessed. Love this. All are welcome. Bless all who gather here. And these are only $7.58 for these scarecrows. And these would look cute inside somewhere. Different styles for $6.98 of scarecrows. And then here we've got all different kinds of things. Some pumpkins, and more scarecrows, scarecrow picks. And here is some things I'm showing from my house. I got this at the Dollar Tree, this apple pie sign, this pumpkin pie sign, and I got that at the Dollar Tree. This farmer's market sign, I got this at the Dollar Tree with the light up leaf lights. I'm not sure they still sell those, but I got those at the Dollar Tree. This welcome sign I got at the Dollar Tree. I had the wreath and I just put the welcome sign on it. And then this farm fresh pumpkin and these flowers I got from the Dollar Tree and the sign I got from the Dollar Tree. And then this is a welcome to my pumpkin patch. So here we're ending the video. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and share. And let me know in the comments what you liked best and what you're going to purchase for fall. See you next time.